all, welcome back to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. I hope that all of you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to talk about specifically two really important topics. The first being that how to register for the second attempt NATA 2023 examination and which of the two attempts to give. So many students are having this confusion because apparently when you log into your account on the NATA website, the registration for second attempt, the option for that is not visible. So what to do in that case when your option for registration for the second attempt is not visible, because there are a lot of thoughts in our mind जो आएंगे अगर आपका registration नहीं होता है तो क्या होगा. If you are registering from a new email ID, then how will the best of two would be considered. So कैसे क्या process रहेगा, वो बहुत ज़्यादा confusion है for many students and there's no one to give the answer, right? So this video is for that only, the students who are having the confusions. I think some of you have already contacted NATA helpline, so you might have got the solution regarding that. But still, for everyone, the students who don't still know regarding the second attempt registration, I'm going to tell you that what to do regarding that and how to register yourself for the second attempt examination. Also, guys, we are also going to talk about that if you have already given the first attempt, then which attempt should you appear for, the second or the third attempt? Because now another confusion that the students are having is that after the second attempt examination, the admission process will start and apparently the seats will be full. So third attempt is just like an extra attempt where you can just qualify yourself, and then the admission process in most of the colleges would be already full. So is that true? Is that not true? Should you actually appear for the third attempt, or should you like go for the second attempt only and then choose your best NATA marks? So what is going to be the right decision for you all? That is what we're going to discuss in today's video. तो वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं होने वाली है. It's going to be a short video only. Okay, so first let's talk about the NATA 2023 second attempt registration. So basically this problem is from the start, है ना. तो जैसे ही आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट का रिजल्ट आया था, स्टूडेंट्स हैव कंसिडर्ड to register for the second attempt, and when they contacted the NATA helpline regarding this problem, that the registration option for the second attempt is not visible. So earlier they used to say that there is some technical glitch on the website and it will be fixed very soon, so kindly wait for the technical glitch to be fixed. Okay, this was their response in the beginning, like after the NATA first attempt when the registration opened shuru mein, so they used to say that abhi technical glitch hai, so kindly wait. So we told our students to please wait for a while, because probably the registration will begun soon and it will be okay because of the technical glitch, so they will fix it. But apparently बहुत दिन बाद भी अभी भी the registration was not being fixed. I don't know what's the latest update, but you should check. Maybe अभी भी वो problem है ही जहाँ तक है, but हो सकता है कि ठीक भी हो गया हो. तो एक बार check जरूर कर लेना before doing what I'm saying to you. So do log in into your account once and check once that if the problem is still there. Okay, probably it will be still there. So now after so many days, when the examination is also around the corner, they are suggesting the students from the helpline number that you guys should make a new email ID and then register for the second attempt examination because of the technical glitch. Now, if you register yourself from a new email ID, then the problem arises that how they will manage to publish your final scorecard, because then they don't have your record of you being the same person, and then how will they consider the best of two or the average. तो ऐसा भी तो सकता है कि जिसने 3 attempts दिए हैं from different email ID, if they don't have the proper system to manage that and track that this is the same person, then any student can easily give 3 attempts, and then any one attempt जिसमें भी उसके best marks हैं, he can make it his or her final scorecard. Okay, so it's a very difficult situation because this technical glitch is quite serious, and of course they should fix this as soon as possible, because if they don't have the proper system, to check that who are the same people from different email IDs, this problem is going to come that students will give all the three attempts and then they will consider one of the scorecards as the final scorecard and the average वाला जो चीज है that अगर आप तीनों attempt देते हो तो average आपका लगेगा of best two scores वो चीज तो आएगी ही नहीं है ना so it's a very weird thing that they have done, but nevertheless, it should not stop you from definitely registering for the second attempt examination. And this is what you have to do. I've already told you. You have to make a new email ID and then you have to register. That is what they have told till now. But the question is that should you even register for the second attempt or not? Now, see, the students who have given the first attempt should, I believe, that take 2 more months to prepare according to what has come in the first attempt examination. And when they prepare really well, they should appear for the third attempt rather than the second attempt examination. Regarding the admission procedure, guys, the admission procedure will only start after your third attempt examination. So don't worry, even after the results it will start, not the examination. तो जब तीनों अटेम्प्ट का रिजल्ट आ जाएगा अभी तो बोर्ड्स का भी रिजल्ट नहीं आया है सो आफ्टर योर बोर्ड्स रिजल्ट्स एंड आफ्टर योर नाटा रिजल्ट्स तभी तो आप अप्लाई कर पाओगे ना इन स्टेट काउंसलिंग इन कॉलेजेस आप अप्लाई तभी करोगे ना जब आपके रिजल्ट्स आपके हाथ में हो जब रिजल्ट्स ही नहीं आए हैं फाइनल तो आप अप्लाई कैसे करोगे so after the third attempt examination the admission procedure will start there is no need to worry there are some colleges which have started their reservation process. So they are saying that you pay some amount and reserve your seat, and then when the final result will come, then we will confirm your seat. So I guarantee you, the colleges who have started their admission process from now will still have a lot of seats available even after the third attempt results. ठीक है तो उसमें कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है एंड ऑल द रिनाउंड कॉलेजेस लाइक सेप्ट हो गया या फिर स्टेट काउंसलिंग की अगर हम बात करें तो उनका भी जो प्रोसेस है वो नाटा के थर्ड अटेम्प्ट के रिजल्ट्स के बाद ही शुरू होगा so there is no need to worry that you should appear for the second attempt and take admission very soon just give your best focus now on the preparation part that is the most important thing the students who have not given the first attempt can definitely appear for second attempt and the third attempt now and they should actually see the first attempt paper and solve it and try to analyze the paper because now you have an opportunity you've not given the first attempt but it doesn't mean that you've not even seen the first attempt so you should see the first attempt paper entirely and then you should register yourself for the second and third attempt उसकी भी प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से करो टारगेट रखो कि एटलीस्ट थर्ड अटेम्प्ट तक आप सभी की प्रिपरेशन एक बहुत अच्छी लेवल पे हो जाए I have got so many students in our institute who were from other institutes and they apparently scored really low marks in first attempt or they failed in the first attempt examination. So that's not really a good thing. If you think that you don't have good enough guidance and if you think that you need your preparation to be at a more up level, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने पहले किसी कोचिंग में एनरोल किया है या नहीं किया है you should definitely attend our free demo classes okay so to attend our free demo classes you know what's the drill you have to message us or call us on our number which is mentioned on the screen okay so you have to call us on this number and simply tell us that you want to attend some free demo classes I think that we always keep having the free demo classes every single week तो अभी भी शायद एक दो दिन में हमारी फ्री डेमो क्लास होने वाली है सो उसको ज्वाइन करो स्ट्रैटेजी समझो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी व्हाट इज द सिलेबस how to prepare how we are preparing the students because that is completely free of cost जरूरी नहीं है कि आप किसी कोचिंग में हो या नहीं हो free demo classes is packed with information for everybody okay so it is for you guys it is not for us so definitely don't miss this opportunity and the big big announcement, guys. I think that this is the first time we are doing this, but I really want to support the students who are having potential, because I really have like a soft corner for all the students, especially the students who are misguided, especially the students who have the potential and don't have the correct guidance. So that is why I am launching this new thing. We are going to give up to 100% scholarship to the students who have scored good marks in NATA 2023 first attempt. Okay, so if you have scored above 140 marks in the first attempt examination in NATA 2023, you can avail 100% scholarship and study from our institute for the second attempt and the third attempt examination. If you have scored more than 130 or 120, still you can avail up to 70 to 80% of scholarship. So details आपको मिल जाएंगी. If you want to avail the scholarship, you can message us again on the number which is given on the screen. So I hope that I will help you in some way, and all the students from our institute, I just wish, and all the students who are not from our institute also, just I wish that they score the best marks from their potential, okay? So that you don't have any regrets later. So jump ke preparation karo and then leave the rest on God, okay? So I hope that I clarified your doubt and motivated you also a little bit. And let's meet in the next video. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Ishrita Garg. I am a student of SSAC Institute. I have scored 99.99 percentile in my JEE B.Arch Session 1 2023.
The very to the point content, the study material, the PDFs, the ebooks, and the mock test papers are just effective.
The teachers here are the best. Like the attention to individual is best here, and you won't get this thing anywhere at this price, so it is really worth it.
Some questions were very predictable, and those teachers gave me those questions which I made mistakes in tests, and the same question by luck was there in JEE B.Arch examination.
मेरा सबसे वीकेस्ट पॉइंट जी के, वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से करवाया था, एंड हिस्ट्री तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से करवाया था. लाइक एक बार पढ़ाया और पूरा याद रह गया था. तो उनकी पढ़ाने के स्टाइल बहुत अच्छे थे.
Thank you SSAC for guiding me and helping me. Thank you.